and out in the yard and on the cars that I can do myself clean. But again, you still do not want to put anything in front of this because, as I've said, I think quite a few times before, as humans we are really squishable and really damageable, and even though this is just water, it is high-powered water, and I'm sure you guys know that water these days is used to cut metal and it's used to cut all kinds of things, so you can actually do quite a lot of damage with it, so just keep that in mind. So I'm not going to go over in real specific detail about how to get this started and everything, because each one is going to be a little bit different, but there are a few things that will be common across all of them. Of course, there's going to be where you connect the hose that the spray gun is going to be connected to. There's going to be the place where you connect the water hose, and this is just a regular hose connection. The others are quick connections. And they're all probably going to leak just a little bit whenever you let them go. And it's very important before you start the motor or anything, or the engine rather, it's very important to go ahead and turn the water on so that you have some water flowing through here. You get all the air bubbles out of the hoses. You also get water flowing through the pump, which needs that water to stay cool. If you start up the engine without having water already in the pump, there's a good chance that you might burn up the pump.
So repair the roof up there. Huh? Just kidding. Sorry, got a job. It's a good thing that you know how to do this, so I don't have to. Yeah. Huh? It's done by August. Huh? Easy to tear it up. I think we need a different nozzle.
Give me my wine.
Oh, well. Time to go vroom vroom.
This was the one that I did the really short strokes on, and that's the inclination to do that in the beginning whenever you're first doing this power washing, but it'll look a lot better if you do it like the step below, which was the broad strokes. So it's just something to keep in mind and to do the best you can. So those are all my tips. So now let's get started on this, and it's going to look to you like it took me about 30 seconds, but it's going to take me more like a few hours. But I will.
Let's try something different. Surprise me. Okay. Pressure washing outfit. Come on, Missy.
Gotcha.
Hey, Mama, you gonna do your pressure washing? Where is that woman that I hired to do the pressure washing?
Yes, sir.
There she is. Oh, I see you have your pressure washing outfit, huh?
Yep.
That's all your safety gear?
Yep.